In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix perspective in Affinity Photo. If you've ever taken a photo of a building that looks like it's leaning backward, or a room where the walls don't line up quite right, this quick workflow will help you straighten things up cleanly and non-destructively. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo so it's visible on the canvas and ready to edit. With your document open, look to the top of the interface and switch to the pixel persona. Personas are simply focused workspaces. The pixel persona gives you access to pixel-level adjustments, and importantly for us, the live filters we'll use to correct perspective without permanently altering your base layer. Now, instead of a one-off transform, we'll use a live filter so you can always revisit your adjustments later. Go to the Layer menu and choose New Live Filter Layer, then hover over Distort. Live filters sit above your image in the Layers panel and can be toggled or edited anytime, which makes them ideal for careful perspective work. From the Distort options, select Mesh Warp. You'll see a grid appear over your image, along with adjustable nodes and handles. Gently drag these nodes to line up verticals and horizontals in your scene. For architecture, start near the corners and outside edges, nudging lines so they appear parallel and straight. Use broader, subtle moves rather than extreme pulls. Small adjustments distributed across the grid usually look more natural and avoid stretching important details. Zoom in around key features like window frames or doorways to check alignment, then zoom out to confirm the overall balance. If a section starts to look wavy, ease off that area and make a lighter adjustment nearby to share the correction across the mesh. When you're happy with the result, click Done to apply. Because this is a live filter, you can return to the Layers panel at any time, double-click Mesh Warp, and refine the mesh without degrading your image. That's all there is to it. Clean, controllable perspective correction in Affinity Photo.